Naturligtvis, brothers and sisters, first of all, Pomože Bog, or God help us, as we say in Serbia. I'll do more videos in English for the benefit of our international audience. So I'm sitting here, you see, on the banks of Danube, the biggest river in Europe. I'm here with my friend Slaviša, and of course we're having Corona, not virus, no. This is Corona beer. It's not coronavirus, it's Corona beer. So I mean, we're searching all the coffee shops along here, on the splav, which is the boats on the river, to Zemunski Kej, you know, on the Danube River. And I wanted to greet you here from Corona-stricken Serbia, or not so Corona-stricken Serbia. We have only one dead and about 150 infected. So it's not bad at all. But I mean, the government has imposed a curfew from 8 in the evening till 5 in the morning. But now maybe there's going to be more curfew. They're going to shut the whole country down from 12 noon to 9 in the morning, which is okay. I mean, we're sitting here maybe on the last day. Tomorrow it's going to be colder in Belgrade. But we are not afraid of this coronavirus. We keep our distance. I don't use the mask or anything, but we're keeping distance. We don't shake hands, etc., etc. But actually, I was planning to go to Norway on Wednesday to take care of my mother. He had a heart surgery and everything. But I mean, I would be in quarantine for 14 days in Norway. So I decided not to. So I will enjoy my life here, and let this be a message of encouragement for Serbians and people around the world who are afraid. I mean, do not be afraid. I mean, most of us are not going to die. We are going to survive this. In Norway, there is like 2,000 infected and only 7 dead people, which is good. So this is just a short message of encouragement. And now I will take the phone from my friend Slaviša, and he can say hello and cheers in the spirit of Corona.